Okay, good evening. Welcome to today's slide presentation, and we are going to talk about, or we are going to tackle on construction materials. So the introduction, this module, unit will deal us with the study of properties of materials used in construction works. The purpose of this module unit is to equip the trainees with knowledge, skills, and attitude necessary to understand sources, manufacturing process, and use of construction materials. So before we proceed, I like to before we proceed, I like to take attendance and confirm whether you are present. Joshua, Zuena, Marcelina Ward, Elizabeth Machabe. Okay, let's proceed. First, our learning objectives are by the end of the module unit, the trainee should be able to state the properties of construction material and explain the classification of construction material. So I'm expecting you that after this module, you'll be able to state the properties of these construction materials and explain how they are classified. So the properties of the construction materials. One, let's first start with the construction materials, which we have the concrete, as you can see on your screen, and steel. Those are the two classifications, but we still have the others which we will cover in our next slide. So concrete, the properties of concrete, we have number one, strength, and this is the compressive strength, tensile strength, and flexural strength are crucial properties of the concrete. So as a concrete should be so strong so that it can hold the building for the purpose it is suited there, for the lifespan that is going to be there. Property number two, we have durability. Concrete should be durable to withstand abrasion forces and chemical attack. Property number three, we have workability, ability to be easily molded and shaped. And number four, we have permeability, ability to resist the penetration of water and other liquids. Okay, we will go to material number two, which is steel. If I may ask Zwena, what is steel? Okay, wait a minute. Marcela, are you having problems with your gadget? Okay, you are in class. Okay, are you seeing my screen? Okay, can you read for me the property of steel? Yes. Uh-huh. Durability. Can you state how it has been elaborated there? Or can you read for me? Mm. It's resistant to deterioration. Okay, thank you very much. Let's now move to the other properties. We have the construction materials. We have brick, wood, and glass. Okay, and as I'm seeing, or as we are going, the properties are repeating themselves, like strength, durability, thermal insulation, I think all the construction materials should have those properties. They should be strong, they should be durable, they have thermal insulation, ability to retain heat and provide insulation. Wood. Wood also has the same properties. Maybe glass should be transparent, ability to allow light to pass through, that means ability to provide insulation and control heat. Now we go to the classification of construction materials. They are classified into different categories. Number one, we have natural materials. Example of natural materials. Oh, I seen on my screen. Then have you seen it? Okay. Yes. Okay, so maybe to speak about the wood used in structural component, flooring, and finishing. Uh, Roofing also can be used by wood. Okay, stones, which include materials like granite, marble, limestone, used for grading, flooring, and decorative purposes. Clay and mud. Clay and mud, which is used for backing of bricks, tiles, and as binding material in construction. We have thatch. These are traditional materials that were used for construction. The grass. Okay, classification number 2. Joshua, can you read for me? Yes. Synthetic materials. Okay. So the plastic are used for piping, insulation, and in various architectural application. Uh, Architectural application. These are what can we call them? Like the pipes that are used in the construction of less fixing of electricity in the toilets. We also have the pipes, among others. Composites include material like fiber reinforcement polymers and engineering wood products, often used in structural applications. Okay, we also have a metal, which includes steel, aluminium, and copper. Steel is widely used in construction is used in construction for structural frameworks, reinforcing bars, and other applications. Aluminium used for door, windows, and structural components. Copper used for electrical wiring and plumbing. Okay, another classification, we have concrete and cementitious materials. Concrete comprises of cement, aggregate, water used for foundation walls and structural components. Cement, the binding agent in concrete. Mortar used in binding material for bricks and stone. Those are self-explanatory. Okay, we go to glass and ceramics. Glass used in window, baguettes, and as decorative materials. Ceramics, including tiles, bricks, sanitary ware used in construction and interior design. Insulation on soundproofing materials. Fiberglass used for thermal insulation. Mineral wool used for insulation and fireproofing. Foam board used for insulation of soundproofing. Miscellaneous materials were asphalt, gypsum, and aggregates. Are you still there? Marceline. Okay, to Joshua, are you getting? Okay, so to sum up, uh, what have you what have you learned today? Joshua? Yes. Okay, okay. Thank you very much. We shall meet next time, and that is where we will be having an assignment. So thank you for your time.